Alright, what's up guys? Good morning. We're here at the shop. Just got here. The car is started already. So now it's finally time for me to throw the bumper back on. So we're gonna start off this video putting the bumper back on. Alright, so change of plans. Not putting on the bumper because the body shop asked me not to put it because I still need to repaint the front bumper and other couple stuff. So if anything, I'm gonna start taking apart stuff from the bumper, so we'll prep it and get it ready for the body shop to throw paint on it. And we're gonna take the rear bumper, the front bumper, the hood, and as for that, I think that would be it. And it's gonna get painted tomorrow probably, or at least started. So slowly but surely we're getting there. Finally, the car, as you guys saw, already started. We just need to go through a couple of details that it's causing it to have a little bit of an issue, but soon it won't be an issue and we'll have a fully running car. Rear bumper, nothing on it, ready to paint. Got the lip off, the front grill, and the front license plate. We're set. Alright, so we got this old license plate frame package. It was black, but some kind of like faded. Now it's like this bronze-ish copper color. It's a little crooked at some point. So, I'm gonna straighten it out, give it a little quick touch up. Let's see how this turns out. Just like that, we got that nice little texture. Alright, morning people. Heading out right now to A&R Collision. We're gonna go check out some progress on the front bumper. So I don't know how well you guys can see me, probably because of the light can't see me at all. So it's been about 2 days since I dropped off the bumper, and talked to them last night. They said that they already had it primed, so let's go check on it. They probably started laying down paint. If not, at least we'll get to see some progress. Alright, so here we have a front bumper. I don't know if you guys remember, but I had cracks all over here, scratch marks all over it. So this is the body shop's Mustang, now the owner. Clean. We've worked on this a couple times. And then the truck in here is my dad's truck, which I really haven't featured much on the channel. Right now, I'm getting the bed done because the whole body was done, except the bed. So right now they're, grinding down, sanding, prepping, laying down a base coat, because it is gonna get, a bed liner, like the, what would you call it, Linex, the bed liner. So right now they're just working on that, prepping that, fixing up a little couple details that need fixing, and this one should be done very, very soon as well. So I'll be featuring this one pretty soon, showing you guys going around it, driving it, probably. There's a couple bends with the Supra, and once more, we got the bumper over here, pretty much getting ready to have it, laid down with the final paint. Right now they have just a guide code. They're gonna block it, sand it, whatever they need to do before it's pretty much ready to go back on the car.